Okay guys, so we have the Hoover Anniversary Edition twin chamber here. So I'm gonna be changing the belt on here because it needs to be changed. And we're just gonna take this cover off. Take the bottom plate, I mean. So now here we go, we're just gonna pull it out. Take the brush. Yeah, this is the Walmart belt I replaced with it. Oh, there we go. It's trash, so throw it right in there. And now we're gonna remove the wind tunnel duct. Just clean everything out there. Here, let's put it on its side. I was picking up some stuff last night because I was rearranging my room and I picked up a bunch of that. I do use my Maytag WindTunnel Bagless twin chamber. The Maytag version of the Hoover twin chamber. I use it occasionally nowadays, and I stopped using this one that often because it's more powerful. But this one is actually really powerful, and I decided pretty powerful, but not as powerful as the older Maytag. So I'm going to be I'm just wanted to take a break from that and use this one. So we're going to open I got genuine Hoover belts right here, style 160 for this model. Take it out and leave the other one in there. So I got, yeah, this is what your belt should look like. Now we're just gonna put this in here like that. I'm gonna take all right, so in the meantime, I'm just gonna remove all this hair off. Throw it right in there. And okay, now we're gonna take the belt. Oh my God, it's so tighter. Come on. Okay. So this machine has been through hell in the last few years, and it has been used a ton. Not as much as the Maytag Bagless. So Maytag WindTunnel Bagless, what I mean. So in the meantime, there's just a little bit of a dry stuff, like excess rubber on there that you just remove with your hand. But you don't have to worry about that. I just do it. So we're gonna close this back up. Put the screws on. Let me get the Milwaukee drill driver. This is an M12, by the way. Go with the M18, they're better, but this one's pretty powerful. I don't do reviews on power tools that much, but I recommend Milwaukee because they're great. And they're great for my dad and I's handyman business. So there we go. Put everything in. Last screw. Now let's give her a test. Oh, okay, another thing I'm not happy about is the tool cover right here because I will need to replace it because it broke and I screwed it on there. I mean, it's not really recommended to do that, but this one kept falling off whenever I would open it. It did it one time on the Maytag WindTunnel Bagless. So we're gonna plug it in and we're gonna turn on. Here we go. What? Oh no, I thought for a second something got stuck in there. Do it again. Yeah, this one's getting great. Get more forward. Actually, just get all of it. Yeah, proper vacuum into the place. I'm right-handed, so. cover. Okay, so it was doing a pretty good job despite the tool cover just coming open. I mean, I don't want to break that because, or I could melt it with a hair dryer and then see if it could work again, but I have a fear that it'll break. So I'm just going to replace this eventually. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and take off the canister and then see how much we got here. First, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna clean the filter. It's like a kitchen. It's like a food processor with your hand. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Some dust started coming off the thing. Yeah, the mesh filter. You got to keep that clean because it will improve suction. So anyways, thank you all for watching this video. I have to do videos on more of this soon.